guys, standing here in front of 700 Sherwood. Bought this off of one of my students, Derek. Derek's crushing it, by the way. And we bought this one for I think like 40 grand. We're gonna put about 40 grand in it, probably be all in around 85. This one I think has an ARV of around 120. It's been a while since I've looked, but I'm just here today to do a quick walkthrough. Let's go check it out. I want to see how my guys are doing with the repairs. Again, we are going to be spending about 40 grand. We'll be making all of this look pretty. We'll be doing new windows, new siding, new gutters, new fascia board, most likely soffit underneath. Just really cleaning this property up. So when we bought it, I'll have to show you some pictures, but none of these walls were here. The 2x4s were there, but the drywall was actually not even there. They had ripped it all down. I'm not sure if it was because of mold or what was going on. So here's where our kitchen will be. What you working on?
I'm gonna cover this floor.
You got to get a big thick piece of plywood to fill that gap in, don't you? That's a thick piece of, it's like an inch.
2 layers.
2 layers, yep. Cool. Well, we'll be putting our kitchen in there. Property does have a backyard, which is kind of nice. This is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath property. So we'll go downstairs last. But basically we got one of our bedrooms. Nice little closet in the hall for linens. We'll be redoing the flooring in here. It looks like the tub surround is new. New toilet, new vanity. That'll look good. We got a bedroom here. And then another bedroom here. There's our hall. And then over in this is our master. We do have another bath there and then a big closet. This is a full bath right here, which will be really nice when that's all finished. So again, the 3-bedroom house, 2 full bath. We're gonna put about 40 grand into it. It needs 2 full baths. It needs a full kitchen. It needed drywall. I think some electrical. Did we do electrical work over here?
Yeah.
We did electrical too?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit of electrical and then some plumbing. Let's head downstairs and see what's going on. This was basically an old bar down here. Let's see if I can't get the light to adjust a little better. But basically we're gonna just clean it up down here. We're not gonna do a whole lot. We're gonna paint the floors, probably put drywall up right there, but we'll see, maybe depending on the budget. The stack in this particular property looks like just trash. It's actually in really good shape. Probably need a new furnace and air conditioner, and the water heater looks pretty good. Our panel box doesn't look great, but it's it looks like it's gonna pass, so I doubt we'll even touch it. There's really no reason to if it's working. Here's another stack for the kitchen. You guys able to see it? It looks pretty good. Let's go do a tour of the outside and the backyard of this property. It does have a garage as well, which is nice. Here's our garage. It's filled with all kinds of junk and tools. A little backyard here. The whole house, we're gonna do siding. Again, we're gonna probably do new gutters, fascia board, it's not wrapped, and the soffit underneath. We'll make it look real pretty and clean. Our condenser is, looks a little dated. Probably works fine, but we'll see. Maybe sometimes what we do on these is we don't swap out the condenser when we sell it, and we'll just give them a credit, because you know sometimes it's not really worth fixing something that's not broken, but it's probably on its last leg. So at that rate, we would give them a credit. So that's where we're at with this project. We'll be back for an update. See you soon, bud.
Thank you.
We will be back for an update in a couple of weeks. And this is just a quick, easy flip for us, guys. 40K purchase, about a 40K rehab, and probably listed for 120 range. So here we go. Let's go do 10 more.